Welcome to the Accounting Technicians Ireland online exams. In this video, we will demonstrate the different features of our e-assessment platform, Rogo. At the start of your exam, read through the instructions carefully. The exam duration is displayed in a bar at the top of the screen. Once you've read the instructions, click Start. Remember to number the different parts of your questions. You'll see instructions for selecting optional questions in Section B. We'll cover these in more detail later. Click Next to accept our Statement of Integrity. By selecting the Start button, you are agreeing to comply with ATI rules and regulations. A countdown timer will then commence, indicating that the exam has now started. We'll now take you through the platform's key features. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see three icons. To highlight a section, select the text on the screen that you wish to highlight and click on the icon. To strike through, select the text and click on the respective icon. The third button is to clear all. Click on the eraser icon to undo all highlights and strike-throughs at once. The scroll bar enables you to move up and down the page. You'll see an outline of requirements and available marks. When ready, input your answers into the spreadsheet below. Different formatting functions are available on the bar. To enter text into the spreadsheet, click on a cell and start to type. For Year 1 taxation and Year 2 advanced taxation exams, your tax reference material is available in the bottom left-hand side of your screen. A calculator is also available in the footer. However, you may use your own non-programmable calculator if preferred. To clear the calculator, click on the X on the top right. To use the reading ruler, place your cursor onto the ruler and move it around the screen to aid with reading. You also have use of a notepad. It's important to note that anything typed in this box will not be included in your answers. You must copy and paste anything you wish to be included in the text area in the spreadsheet provided. You can flag a question you wish to return to by clicking on the Flag button. This will then appear as flagged in the Navigation tab. You will also see any questions that have been answered or not answered. Click on each question to take you directly to it. To move on to the next section of the exam paper, click Next. Don't forget to check your remaining exam time. On this example, you're required to complete 3 out of 4 questions. Read each question by clicking on the tabs on the left-hand side. As before, you can flag the questions you wish to answer. These will then appear in your Navigation tab. Select the questions you wish to answer by moving your cursor to the upper right-hand side. As you navigate the different questions, you'll see the layout for question 4 and 5 is different in this example. This is due to a requirement for both text and computational answers. This question facilitates Word for a text response and a spreadsheet for a computational response. Click on the question task and then choose either the Word or spreadsheet response option as required. When either option is chosen, you can position the boxes side by side by dragging them. To exit a solution area, click X. Your work will be automatically saved. You can review your work at any time before submission in order to make amendments. To review, just click on the Response option. When you've answered the last question, click Finish. You will have a final opportunity to review your answers before submitting your paper. Once you're ready to submit your exam, select Finish. If you don't click Finish, your exam will automatically be submitted at the end. Once you have finished the exam, a final overview summary will appear. Now that you've a better grasp of the fundamental features, don't forget to work through the practice tests available. If you have any further questions, email exams@accountingtechniciansireland.ie.